project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Let's add some to the glue. And give it a good stir. I need to make sure baking soda dissolves completely. No lumps.
Why does it seem familiar?
Does it? I wonder why.
You're making slime!
Yep, just wait a little longer. Ooh, this process is always so fascinating, right guys? Let's see. Ooh, stretchy. Maybe a little hard, but that's okay. And now we'll add some sand.
No.
What? Why?
Well, you aren't going to make the great sand slime with your own hands!
Well, that's what I'm making.
No way. You'll fail.
I will not.
You will!
I wonder... Oh no. Maybe... Maybe if I just...
Told ya. You can't make the great and incredible sand slime at home.
Well, maybe it's the wrong recipe.
Oh, recipes schmecipes here. That's how a real sand slime should look like.
Ooh. Oh, wow! Squishy. And... Oh, check that out! Ooh, this one's my favorite. Ah. Ooh. Stretch. Oh, I love this stuff. And woo! Ah, Sam needs to check this stuff out. It looks so pretty. Nice and long and stretch. Ooh, that's pretty cool. It feels so nice to play with this sand slime.
You bet!
Hey guys, do you think it would be possible to make sand slime at home or not? Write in the comments.
Oh, Sue just won't let go. Give her some thumbs up, please, to make her feel good. She did her best after all. And if you want to see new videos with kinetic sand and slime, subscribe to the channel.
Bye!
I might be a little busy scraping mud off my fur.
Did you hear that?
Everyone stay behind me!
No argument here.
Squish!
He wants to turn me into a pig!
Who needs a great big...
The leprechaun is nuts! Run!
Princess Billy, you see what happens? You take something that's precious to me, I take something that's precious to you.
What's he talking about?
Now you've had a taste of my vengeance. You'd better give me my house back.
Seriously, this leprechaun is nuts!
You guys, shush!
Ah!
Oh no, not again! Lady Fiona, I failed you.
I'm giving you 3 hours to give me my house back, or I'll turn everyone into a pig. Huh.
I don't know how or why this leprechaun's house has disappeared, but we've got to find it.
And fast, before he turns Majiki into a kingdom of pigs.
Or we could run away from the lunatic leprechaun and start another non-pig kingdom. Far away from here, right?
Oh, wait, the only person who can help us is Ed the Wizard.
Huh? Hey, wait! Don't leave me here all by myself! Wait!
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but I have no idea where his house could be. Leprechauns are very secretive creatures who hardly ever show themselves, let alone their houses.
You are my last hope, Ed. So what are we going to do?
Yes, what? Besides drink all the milk we can while we can.
Did you ask the leprechaun why he thinks you have stolen his house?
No, it's true. We didn't ask why.
More pigs!
The leprechaun must be nearby. Come on. Excuse me, Mr. Leprechaun?
Princess, no! Don't speak to the scary leprechaun!
What?
Why do you think I stole your house?
Because I saw it! Your carriage! I saw it speeding off right when my house disappeared. Watch this!
That's not Billy's carriage. That's the twin princess's carriage. See?
I think a certain crazy leprechaun owes us a great big apology. I'm sure you're sorry on the inside.
Stop it, please! Come with us and we'll find your house together. My carriage is just over there. I'll show you. It's not the same one. Please? Fabulous! How do I look? Fabulous. Me? Don't bother to answer. I already know. Once again, the kingdom is in grave danger because of you two, and you don't even care. La 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 la, I can't hear you. Never mind, no one can spoil our good mood today. Not even you, Princess Doom and Gloom.
Do you even know what's happening out there?
No, and we don't care. We found this amazing giant bottle of perfume in the forest.
My house! You shouldn't have taken something that doesn't belong to you.
We're sorry. Don't turn us into...
Oh dear, house, I never thought I'd get you back.
You have to forgive the twin princesses. They didn't mean it. Sometimes they do things without thinking.
Mr. Leprechaun, will you please turn our friends and the other people of the kingdom back to their usual selves?
I'll turn your friends back, but these two will have to wait a while.
We can live with that.
Oh, won't you please calm down? Oh, not the royal garden. Watch the geraniums.
Oh, let me try, Countess. Oinkly, oinklet.
You're wasting your time. Whatever language you speak, those two never listen.